Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. And firstly we need to check if you have the last software version. So open Nothing CMF application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have. Now scroll down and go to About. And right here at the top we have Update Firmware, so click on it and they check for updates, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one and it can fix your problem. Now, if it doesn't or you haven't new software version, I recommend it to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, and then right here inside the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed red 3 times. So let's check it. It's something like 10 seconds you need to hold it. Firstly it entered to prank mode, so don't worry, it's okay. And now we have it. There we go, I can release my finger. And then we need to remove and add this earbud. So go to the settings, Bluetooth, and now click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click Pair New Device. And after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we can see it as device list, we don't need to use connectional button to enter prank mode. Now tap on it, and if you have Android, also click Pair. Now, the last what I can recommend it to you is to fully charge your earbuds. And then check if the battery level are the same. If it doesn't, I guess you need to contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!